Hello guys, welcome back to the backyard guys. I moved the pool guys. There's no more pool here. Yes, I'm trying to fill out the hole where the pool was and I'm almost there. I'm just waiting on some mulch. I don't know when they're gonna bring me some mulch, but guys, the backyard it is big again. And I put two whatever. I make one thing over there. I add block of blocks and I put some flowers on them. And yes, I just want to give it some dimension or whatever. Because every flowers was going over there, I just want to take them on the ground and bring them over there. That's the that's the goal, guys. But I like it. It's more. I know my backyard was really large. It's because I have a lot of plants on it. That's the reason I'm always complaining. I need more of that. Because if I was gonna do a regular garden, that's way too much for a regular garden. But I want to have a big garden. I want to grow my own food. I want to grow my own meat. I want to grow my own vegetable, everything. I want to at least, because I don't think I'm going to be able to make some rice. And yes, that's the reason I can buy a couple things. But most of the things, guys, I want to grow them in my backyard garden. That's the reason, guys, I'm pushing out a lot to have a new garden. When I say pushing out with faith. But yeah, just want to showing you guys what's going on here. It's let me see, I don't want to go to the sun, but it is. Let me showing you if I can show you more, because I still have a lot of stuff to remove. I'm gonna leave this one for now, and let me show you guys this section. When you go over there, I have some sugar cane. I don't want to move them yet till I have space to put them, but I will move everything over there. Yeah, that's this on the backyard, friends. Thank you for watching.